Chairman of the Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles, WANDONBOK JYRWA, informed newspersons that during the meeting with Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya PRESTONE TYNSONG, a memorandum was submitted by the committee and a discussion on revised passenger rates for all commercial vehicles was also held. WANDONBOK JYRWA stated that the Commercial Drivers Association has decided to resort to an indefinite strike from the 3rd of February 2021 should the government not take up the matter of increase of fuel prices in the state.
From our associations, and I am the chairman of the Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles. So we will start our strike since from day after tomorrow, it means the 3rd of February. So we will strike in all over the states of Meghalaya. This is since we have already came and submit our memorandum from time to time to the honorable ministers. From the government side, till date they don't do anything about the tax which they have been taxed.
How many days strike will be there?
It will be indefinite strike until and unless the government could not take the decision. If the government has to take the decision immediately, then we also will withdraw our strike.
Members of the Maulai People's Grievances Cell had also accompanied members of the Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles at a meeting held today. One of the members informed about the surprise inspection that was recently conducted on a petrol pump in Maulai, where it was learned that the state government had levied a tax of 31 rupees per litre on all service stations across the state.
Regarding the high price of the petrol and diesel. So we have submitted the memorandum today, and then we don't get a clear assurance from the Deputy Chief Minister about the rise of the petrol. Because last Saturday also, from the Maulai People Grievances Forum and the Taxi Association in the Maulai constituency, we have give a surprise visit inspection to the petrol pump to know what happened. To know that why the petrol is rising. So from the manager also they have told us that it is due from the state government. They have taxed 31 rupees per litre. So today only we have met the honorable Chief Minister and demanded that he should rethink about the rise of the petrol.